Soft silicone cover allows baby to self-feed on fruits and vegetables through small holes. Can be used with chilled food for teething babies. Interior stem forces food towards feeder holes. Quick snap ring allows for easy assembly. Small handle is perfect for baby's grasp. Handle easily attaches to a tether. Top reviews from the United States. Must-have baby product. Magic. I wish I had known about this with my first kid. Easy to clean, unlike the mesh ones, perfect for babies to learn to mush stuff with their gums. Great for putting frozen fruit in for teething. The silicone is cushy enough that you can even put in an ice cube.